Opinion: Pros and Cons of Epson ET-2850. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of the Epson EcoTank ET-2850 all-in-one printer. Pros: ultra low-cost printing. It has refillable ink tanks instead of pricey cartridges. Included ink can print thousands of pages. Good print quality. It can print sharp text and colorful graphics with the 5-color ink system. Low operating costs even when not in use. Relatively fast print speeds for an EcoTank printer. Large touchscreen interface is intuitive. Capable scanner and copier. Can scan documents directly to cloud services. Compact, sleek design. Cons: higher upfront cost than standard inkjet printers. No ADF, auto document feeder, for the scanner. Paper capacity is limited at 100 sheets. Ink tanks protrude from the front, which makes the space requirement deeper. Slow startup from powered off state. Lacks fax capabilities and Ethernet networking. Relatively high power consumption. Overall, the ET-2850 offers very low cost operation and quality output. But the design trade-offs like small paper input and lack of auto document feeder can be limiting factors for some users.